Okay, so in this video we are going to install the Python. So first you have to write on Google install Python and enter. So there will be the first link of this site www.python.org. Click here. यहाँ पर आपको मिलेगा जो लेटेस्ट वर्जन है फॉर द विंडोज वो है 3.9.1. So click here. It will start downloading. Okay, so after downloading is finished, you can click on this exe file. Here you will get two options, install now या फिर customize installation. So you can choose install now, but better you go for the customize installation. And first you have to select this add Python 3.9 to path and now start customize. Here keep it the same. Okay, so one thing is make sure this for all user is selected and then click next. Here also select this install for all users and rest keep the same. Now start installing. It will ask. Okay, so now just click here, close. Now open the start and you will see here four things: Python 3.9 module docs, IDLE, Python 3.9 manuals and Python, right? So first we will start with the IDLE. Let's close this. Okay, so here we are now into the Python shell and let's change a little bit settings here first. Options, then configure. Here you can change the font. I'm going to change the size a little bit larger size and you can select the bold, then okay. Okay, so now it's a bit clear. So write print hello world enter. So this is the output. So now it means the shell is working. Okay, so now we are going to close this, then click on start and now we are going to open the Python terminal. Okay, so here again we are going to write the first you can change the setting if you want to. Here from the properties, font, the font size. Okay, so here again we are going to write the print hello world. So the terminal is also working, right? Okay, so both the things are working. So what we can do is we can check the command prompt or you can try on PowerShell. I'm checking it on PowerShell. Okay, so here what we are going to do is write the Python. So it's showing the Python 3.91. अब जो है यहाँ पर आपका जो पावर शेल पर भी जो है कमांड आप रन कर सकते हैं पाइथन की, ठीक है? जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल प्रिंट हेलो वर्ल्ड. ओके, सो कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट पर भी आपकी पाइथन रन हो रही है, ठीक है? सो यहाँ पर अभी जो हमने किया तीनों आप कह सकते हैं टर्मिनल या फिर शेल पर हमने काम किया.